You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Check that time. Oh, fog. My voice up and fogged up the lens. Good job, Ryan. Here, good job. Good going. You should be proud. Yep. All ready, boys. Jet down time. Got the wheel on. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The reels on the Z go round and round, round and round, round and round. This is Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts, approved. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Boom, boom, boom. What the fuck is it hitting? Oh. Well, let's see what happens here, fellas and ladies. Doing this the fun way. Boom! Boom, bitch! Boom! Ooh, baby. Ooh. Yes, baby. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What you you know about that stock ride height, son? That no engine style. That one Ryan power. One Ryan boot power. Oh yeah. Yeah. Pump, baby. Pump it up. As you can see, my name isn't Joe. My last name ain't Button. Button. It's not T. Button. You know? And now you know. Alright. One thing left. I'm gonna throw the hood back on. Just to protect a little bit from elements, even though it's all banged to hell. The hood's banged to hell. Hopefully I'm banged to hell soon. In a good way. You know what I'm saying. And one thing I did here, realized the other new car has a rear windshield squirter and the wiper. I'm gonna have to do a wiper delete. That's, I can't really, let's see this one first. This is where the squirter was. I had a little plug I took off to use on the other car because I don't want it. Cleaner the better, baby. Cleaner the better. And here's the wiper delete. This is, you can see it doesn't match perfectly. They also like glued this piece in there, so to take it out, I'd have to destroy it. So I'm just gonna leave it and the hole's a hole. I'm gonna buy a new one. I think I saw one on Concept Z. That was carbon fiber. It looked kind of cool. So next time you'll see me, we will be wheeling the girl out and bringing in the other new girlfriend. Bye-bye, old girlfriend. It was nice while I knew ya. Hi, new girlfriend. You're nice and new and shiny. Yeah. Hi. Hi. You. Yeah. Hi. All right. Box opening here. Let's see what we got. No packaging around it. Looks like the mounting tab is cracked. Oh, there's a driver's side headlight. Well, you could tell this was resealed. A little glue crap here. This is cracked here. I'll get some close-ups of this in a second. Not happy with this. Not happy. Alright, let's show you a close-up here. This one, where my thumb is, supposed to be a tab that comes out, and a screw hole for the bracket to mount to the fender. So that's cracked off. And over here, see if you can get a good view. Take along here, that black isn't smooth, they re-glued it. So you can tell it's been opened up. And then, you can tell a little better on this side. It's kind of smeared here. And you do the greatest job of re-gluing it. Then, look right here. See that? It's moving, that's cracked. That's cracked. I specifically asked, because he didn't have great pictures of the back of it, of the lights. Specifically asked, how are all the mounting tabs? Is anything cracked? Is anything cracked in the housing? That was my main concern. Everything's fine. Only thing is that it doesn't come with the ballast or the bulbs. Okay, I was gonna
upgrade them anyway. So I'm like, alright, that's fine. I'm mainly looking for the housings. But I want to make sure everything mounts properly and gets in there nice and tight and doesn't move. And I don't want none of those goddamn problems. It's bullshit. People, man. People. Just be honest. Jesus Christ. Be honest. If you're doing something out there and you're watching, be honest. Tell people what's wrong with the goddamn thing before you freaking sell it to them. You afford a whole goddamn headache and you don't screw people over. Jesus, what is wrong with people? Alright, I need a little woosah moment. I'll be back.
Okay. We are done with the first 350Z that we were tearing down and taking all of the parts off of. So we are now ready to wheel that one out of the garage and wheel the new one that you already have seen previously on this channel into the garage. So that is our next course of action that we will be packing into video form. So please stay tuned for more 350Z activity. Drive fast, take chances.